All right, good morning, y'all. It is a little bit past 0500. So, tip for the welders and ironworkers out there, especially the folks going to a welding school, or if you're on a job site and you're a punk and you get there a little bit late, don't come in empty-handed. We don't want to see you coming in with nothing. We don't like excuses. What we like to hear is the reason you were late is because you wanted to get us donuts. Now, in all honesty, that was a policy when I went to welding school, and the policy I had when I was teaching classes. If you're going to be late, don't come in without a box of donuts. And if there's 20 people in the class, don't you dare come in with 19 donuts, because things get fierce. So always remember to bring something for the folks at the school. If you're going to be late and you're going to disrupt the class, bring some donuts. If you're going to be late on a job site, bring some donuts. Be that nice guy. And if you late a lot, find out the preferences of your journeyman. Apple fritter and sugar donuts. So, there you go. Anywho's, don't screw up that often. We like getting donuts, but we like getting work done on time. So the foreman's not breathing down our neck about it. Probably will anyways, who cares? But get to work on time. If you want to be that nice guy, score some points with the journeyman when you first get in the job site, bring a box of donuts. Sometimes journeymen bring donuts or bring some special snacks, treats, whatnot. We like doing stuff like that. We don't do it all the time because it's a treat. But yeah, if you're going to be late, do something special. It don't have to be expensive. I mean, this dozen donuts costs less than $8, so it's not going to break your wallet. Anyways, I think that was the tip for the morning. There's going to be more content coming. Haven't quite had the time. A lot of things been happening, but I have a lot of stuff planned out for the welders and ironworkers. A little sneak peek, I guess. We'll be having comparison of bucket buddy, rolling toolbox, just carrying stuff in bulk bags, reasons I've had to use all those, and which ones I prefer if I had a choice of any of them. And comparison of welding hoods would be another video. Hope y'all are gonna like that. I think it's gonna be fun and exciting. And I don't know about y'all, I'm gonna enjoy some donuts. All right, y'all have a good morning. Stay safe on the job site. Later, Gators.